Hi guys, I started making this film back in December, just before Christmas, on a beautiful cold frosty morning, and here's a nice view of my outdoor part of the workshop. This is all part of a very interesting piece. There's lots of different mediums in it. The focal point is this barn which I'm about to carve. It's actually part of a big sign. There's a bit of metal work in it as well. I will warn people, if you suffer with epilepsy, you might not want to watch part of the film where I'm doing some welding. But, there's not much flashing going on. There's some music to accompany it by Joe Percival, which is very, very cool. I don't know the name of the tune, but it's very cool, and I thought it was very kind of him to let me use it. Anyway, I'm gonna keep quiet now, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the film. Okay, so this is the first part of the film with the owl's been carved now. I've done the pyrography on the owl. So for this piece I had the idea of having some claws that looked like they were coming out and they were about to grab something. And obviously, doing that with wood, that they're going to break. So I thought, well, yeah, I can weld. I'll make some metal claws. So I thought if I use some threaded rod, it's very similar to the scales that you have on the bird's feet, and I knew I could shape the claw. So I've been using the angle grinder to sculpt the claws, and so I made those individually, cut them off to shape, and then I welded them to a coach screw, because I thought, well, that's an easy fix really, and I'll be able to screw them in and take them out when I'm transporting them. Obviously, I did warn the client, you don't want to have it as long as you're happy with the idea, you're not going to get scratch on it, and they thought it was a great idea. So I quite like these claws. So the next part of the sign, so that it's for building out on the back garden, hence they call it the outback. You don't think you get many barn owls in the outback ordinarily. So this is just the rest of the process of me making the sign. There's an epoxy moon in the background. There's going to be a backlight that's going to shine through it, which will look really, really cool. Oh, and do a like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed watching this film. I make new stuff all the time. Thanks for watching. Bye.